In this video, we will learn how to add multiple language configuration to your Siemens HMI. Means uh, we have we have multiple languages like English, Germany, France, Russian language, or in India Marathi, Hindi, or whatever the languages we have. But when we have projects of abroad, we use multiple language. In India, we use English. So for our basic configuration is in English, and when we uh, means shift our project or give our project to outside the India, then we use the multiple languages. So here we going to use two languages. We are going to create one project uh, and we are going to check two languages. One is English. This is our basic or initial language. Ini initial language, shell language. Okay, base language we can say better language. And the second one is German or Dutch language. In HMI we use German. So German is second language. Okay, fine. So this is going to be a second language. So I have prepared one program for that. I'm going to explain every bit of the program. So while you create uh, so you have to create one project and add a HMI in it. I have used HMI TP 1200 comfort panel. So I have added one screen. It is a default screen. You can see that this is the screen I have added in my HMI program. So you can see that. So this is the screen I have created, and we will start with the first step. uh, in in multiple language we have one for first step is configuring global project language. Means we have to check, do we have a here is the language and resource. So in your in this is this part is our navigation. We can navigation, and this is we also called navigation project tree. In uh, project tree language and resources, we go to the language and resources. We have project languages, like we have selected over here English and German. So this one is deselected. Now again I selected. If we want another language like French, we can select from here. Dutch language, Netherlands, English, Korean language, we can select whatever the languages we needed for our project. So this is the thing. You can see that. Okay, so first thing we have done. First thing we have done. In second step, what we check, means what we do is we will check configuring the runtime languages in HMI. Runtime, here's the runtime setting. We go to the runtime setting. In runtime setting, we go to the language and font. Here we have given a first preference to English, and second preference means second will be given. We have to enable that from here, so it will replicate in our HMI program. We can change font size and all these settings, primary settings in here. So we need to save this project and compile. Okay, so we have done the runtime HMI setting. After that we will move to our next step, third step, exploring project text. Exploring project text. In exploration means we what we do, we create a export file. We create exportation in here. So uh, for exporting a file, we go to the project text. Here in project text we have all text we have used in HMI slides, in comments, then buttons and tags, all these things are here. So we do the exporting the file. So our first language, source language should be English, and target language should be German, because our primary language is base language is English, and second language is German. So after that we select the content by categorizing, means filter, we have filter it out. We don't need formatted alarm text, we don't need alarm classic text, we only need means whatever the your specification, what you need in your HMI screen to be a target file, so you have to select from here. So I will just choose right now a HMI screen, and I will give a location of desktop, as keep it simple. So, and export the file. Now file export complete successfully. Once export complete successfully, we will get uh, one Excel file. Uh, uh, here is the Excel file. I have already here, this E is English and D for Dutch means German language, and I already converted this text, means current, ampere, start, speed, stop, and all these things into German language. So there is no such a function for auto translation available in Siemens. So uh, for that we have to, we get the Excel file. We need to put all the uh, target tag or target con, con language conversion over here. Okay, so we will move to our fourth step. Our fourth step is editing text list in Excel. Editing text list Excel is easy, because modification entire in your target language in a column, means you have to modify this is only in this column, because we have to target file of German language, and don't touch any other means this column or this column, because if something mismatch, then it will not import again, because there will be some issue or error will give to you. So better you just edit in the target file. Now our fifth step is to go back to the here, and we have to import that file we have generated. So just go to your location desktop and give the text file. So open that one, and it will once it will give the successfully completion of import file, you can ready to go. So I have already done that part in my screen, so I don't need to. And our go to the root screen, means the screen we have created. I have given a Indian flag and a German flag. So for Indian, I have choose the English language, and for German language, German, I have choose the Dutch language. Means here the motor one is start, stop, and all these parameter over here. So let's start. For converting a language, I have given uh, go to the property button property, so you will better understand. Here on a click, I have given a select language. So in language, I have given the English language, and here same vice versa. I have used a set language and German. So when I press on, so let's go to the monitor and you can check here. So whenever I click on Indian flag, it 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 will give start, stop, motor, speed, current, ampere, all in English. And when I press on, click on flag, it will give the German tag. So this is the this is the HMI screen I have created for multiple languages. uh, we can create on one button also, this one. And we can use multiple languages as we want in our HMI screen. So so this is the multiple language HMI screen. If you like the video, just subscribe it, like the video, and comment down below if you need anything in it. If you don't understand anything in it, just comment down below. And please subscribe if you like my content. Thank you so much for watching this video.